sheep. We've been mustering stock. We've been culling out roots. We've been spraying the crops. We've been droving cattle up an old stock route. Now it's Saturday night, we pile in the ute. We're the boys from the bush and we're back in town. Well, the dog's in the back and the foot goes down. We're live members of the Outback Club. We're the boys from the bush come in from the scrub. We've been out in the heat. We've been loading the trucks. Been fixing fences. We've been choking on dust. We curse the rain. We curse the drought. Now it's Saturday night and we're all in the shout. We're the boys from the bush and we're back in town. We get high when the sun goes down. We're live members of the Outback Club. We're the boys from the bush coming from the scrub. And we're back in town. Well, we raise hell when the sun goes down. We're live members of the Outback Club. We're the boys from the bush come in from the scrub. Yeah, we're the boys from the bush and we're back in town. We get high when the sun goes down. We're live members of the Outback Club. We're the boys from the bush come in from the scrub. We're the boys from the bush coming in from the scrub. Well, I got roots where the salt bush grow. I'm an Australian boy in the land of boredom and brigalow. I'm an Australian boy. I'm working a rig for BHP. I'm an Australian boy. I've got a girl back in Emerald waiting for me. I'm an Australian boy, stuck out here at the end of the line. I've got a few mates and I'm doing alright. I hit the weekend like a 303. Australian boy, kicking up a dust storm, blowing off steam. I'm an Australian boy. I'm stuck in traffic on Flinders Street. It's the blues and the farmers at the MCG. Afghanistan, I'm an Australian boy. Tell the kids that I'll be home soon. I'm an Australian boy.
His foot.
We've been waiting all week for Saturday night. Now the day is finally here. Got the swags in the back and the barbecue pack, the $5 suits and beer. We're right to go. Let's say we hit the open road. Now there's 5 of us gone in convoy. It's a running fun, but out on the horizon you can see the lightning brighten up the sky. Yeah, us and that old storm have now arrived. We got a 2K wait before the gate will finally open. Pay our $90, get our cup, tyres will be smoking. We'll all be cutting up gravel, cutting up dirt, ready for the party. Gonna lose control and have a ball tonight. We'll be covered in rum and having our fun in the boots and the black tie. Going wild, we're cutting up in it style. Like we've been swimming in the Nile. Now John's stripped and running round like a drunken headless chook, and Linda now has lost her bra and pride. He's having a look for his new tie. Top to toe, covered in